Welcome to Blockchain video series, teaching you all about Bitcoin, what it is, how it works, and most importantly how to make money from it. A series we're looking at Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency basics explained for beginners. If you have a desire to learn a little bit about blockchain, and its intersection with the world of finance and money, you're in the right place. If you're here to not do that, and just hang out and have a good time, I guess you still are in the right place, because we're going to have a good time.
The second key of Bitcoin Vault is the cancellation key. If the user receives a notification of a transaction made, which they are unaware of, the user can use the second key to cancel this transaction. In order to cancel a transaction, this key will need to be used together with the fast transaction key, while the transaction is in the alert section of the Bitcoin Vault blockchain. When this key is used, the funds will be sent to the wallet address in the next block that is chosen. In this case, it is recommended to use a new wallet address to ensure funds cannot be transferred again unwillingly. This feature provides Bitcoin Vault users peace of mind of their funds being safe. Stay tuned for our next episode, as we will explain the third key. Remember to subscribe, like, and please feel free to comment. And see you next time.